This is a bedroom. There are two beds in it. This seat is by the bed. What is on the seat? A bag is on the seat. A woman is by the bed. Who is she? She is Mrs. Smith. What is she doing? She is putting things into the bag. What is she putting into the bag? She is putting Mr. Smith's things into it. Mr. Smith is going to California. Mr. and Mrs. Smith live in New York. New York, California. He will go by train. This is a train. The journey from the state of New York to the state of California is long. What will he take with him to California? He will take some shirts. He will take some socks. He will not take old socks. Old socks have holes in them. He will take new socks. New socks have no holes in them. These pants have a hole in them. They are old pants. He will take some shoes. He will put them in a shoe bag. The shoe bag will help keep other things clean. The shoe bag is between the shoes and the shirt. The shoes will not get the shirt dirty. My hands are dirty. My hands are clean. This cloth is dirty. This cloth is clean. This plate is clean. This plate is dirty. His face is dirty. His face is clean. This plate is dirty, but the cloth is clean. Now the cloth is dirty, but the plate is clean. This is a sink. There is warm water in it. This is soap. What is she doing? She is washing her hands with soap and warm water. Her hands are wet now, but they are clean. They were dirty. What is she doing? She is drying her hands on a cloth. Her hands were wet. Now they are dry. Her hands were dirty. Now they are clean. What is this? It is a brush. It is a toothbrush. What is this? It is toothpaste. She is putting some toothpaste on the toothbrush. Now she is brushing her teeth. Her teeth will be clean. They will be clean and white. What is this? It is a comb. And this? It is a brush. It is a hairbrush. She is brushing her hair. Now she is combing her hair. What are these? These are pins. One pin is like another pin. This pin is like this pin, but they are two pins. They are not the same pin. They are different pins. These are three hairpins. They are different hairpins. She has a hairpin in her hand. She is putting it in her hair. Now it is in her hair. It was in her hand. It is in her hair now. It is the same hairpin. He is brushing his hair. He does not put pins in his hair. Mrs. Smith put some shirts, socks, and shoes in Mr. Smith's bag. She also put a comb, a brush, toothpaste, soap, and a washcloth in it. She put all of these things in his bag. Mr. Smith will go to the station in a taxi. This is a taxi. Mr. Smith is getting into it. He has a bag with him. This is the station. The taxi is in front of the station. The time is 8 o'clock. The train will leave at 8:30. Mr. Smith is getting out of the taxi. Now he is going into the station. This is the waiting room in the station. Those men and women on the seats in the waiting room are waiting. They are waiting for their trains. Here is a train. This is the engine of the train. This is the bell of the train. These are the rails. The train goes on these rails. It is a railroad train. Here is the ticket office in the train station. Mr. Smith got his ticket here. Here is his ticket. He paid $841.80 for his ticket. These are tickets. How much was the ticket for his trip to Los Angeles? It was $841.80. How long is the journey? 4 days. Which days will he be on the train? He will be on the train Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The other days of the week are Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. How much money did he take with him on his journey? He took $519. $500 is a lot of money. $5 is a little bit of money. Mr. Smith has friends in California. Here are his friends. He and his friend are shaking hands. His friends were waiting for him at the station. They asked, "Did you have a good journey?" He answered, "Yes, but it was a long journey." His friend says, "Let me take your bag." Now he will go with his friends to their house. This is a letter. These are letters. This is a word. There are 3 letters in the word man. The man is writing a letter. He is writing on a paper with a pen. This is the letter. It is from Mr. Rowe. Mr. Rowe will send the letter to Mr. Doe. This is a letter ready for the mail. Here is the stamp. Mr. Doe's name, street, and town are on the envelope. Mass is short for Massachusetts. Middlefield is in Massachusetts. This is the back of the envelope. Mr. Rowe's name and town he is living are on the back of the envelope. ME stands for Maine. Bar Harbor is in Maine. Massachusetts and Maine are 2 states in the United States of America. Mr. Smith is writing a letter to Mrs. Smith. He is in San Francisco. On one side of the card is a picture of the harbor. This is the picture. This is a picture postcard. Here is the other side of the card. Mr. Smith is writing Mrs. Smith's name on it. He will write her street under her name. He will write her town under her street. Finally, he will write the state her town is in. Now the card is ready to mail. There is a stamp on the card. Mrs. Smith's name, street, and town are on the right side of the card. Mrs. Smith's town is in the state of New York. Mr. Smith is taking the card to the post office. He is going up the steps. He will put the letter in the mailbox on the wall of the post office. He sent the card to Mrs. Smith. This morning, Mrs. Smith got the card that Mr. Smith sent from San Francisco. She is reading it now. She read, "I had a good journey." Reading and writing are parts of our education. We get a great part of our education at school. These boys and girls are at school. The teacher is teaching them. Mrs. Smith is sending Tom and Jane to school. They will be in school before 9. They get taught well at school. Tom and Jane learn at school. They learn to read and write at school. Tom is writing the word learning on the board. The teacher is teaching the word learning. Now Tom and Jane are back from school. Jane is reading a story. It is 8:30. Tom is writing at the table. Tom's dog is at his feet. Mrs. Smith is reading the newspaper. Tom and Jane are getting a good education. They get some of it from their school and some of it from their mother and father. Mrs. Smith is looking at Tom's work. It is good work. Now Mrs. Smith is writing a letter to Mr. Smith. She sends love from Tom and Jane to their father. She will send the letter to Mr. Smith. She has the letter in her hand. She is sending the letter. She sent the letter. What are these? They are shoes. What is the boy doing? He is putting his shoes on. What are these? They are shirts. What is the man doing? He is packing his shirt. What are these? They are a toothbrush and toothpaste. What is the girl doing? She is brushing her teeth. What is this? It is a bar of soap. What is the woman doing? She is washing her hands in the sink. Where did Mr. Smith get his ticket? He got his ticket from the train station. How much was the ticket? It was $841.80. How long was the journey to Los Angeles? It was 4 days. Did he go in an airplane? No, he took a train. What did his friends say when they saw him? They asked, "Did you have a good journey?" They also said, "Let me take your bag." What did he say on the card to Mrs. Smith? He said he had a good journey. What are Tom and Jane learning in school? They are learning to read and write. What did Mrs. Smith send to Mr. Smith from Tom and Jane? She sent their love.